We have some urgent short squeeze news for May 9th, Monday. First of all, GTII is down 35% after the shocking news was released. We're going to look at GTII, WISA, and a stock called HubC. So here we go. Top. This is a stock we called out in the previous video. It's 100% up from a low of 40.60 to 93.94. I also said that HOP would dump after TOP stock rallied to $90. And what happened right after the stock rallied to $90? It actually went to about $103 before dumping all the way back down to about $14, trapping all of the traders, meaning that we predicted exactly what would happen to the stock. Guys, this is the only channel you should be watching if you're serious about making money in the stock market. If you want to learn more about my trading program and how I can help you earn money long term, you can apply for a free membership by clicking the link below. I am the guy who warned you about HubC when it was $3. I warned you that HubC would not go to $10. There was so many traders saying that HubC would go to $10 when HubC was $3 on March 16th, and the stock actually dumped to 53 cents. If you lost money on HubC, you need to join our group. I will help you make money like I did for John, who's up 25%. I want to restore your confidence in your ability to trade. And if you are serious about making money and about helping other people making money, then please like this video because you're helping other traders who have lost money on HubC and Bed Bath & Beyond stock and all the other stocks which we prevented traders from losing money on from losing that money. You're literally saving traders their life savings. So I appreciate your help, and we want to look at 3 different stock charts today: WISA, HubC, and lastly GTII. All right, first of all, HubC. So HubC, as we talked about earlier, has dumped from $2, okay, $2, even as high as $3, all the way down to 53 cents. Now, will HubC make a recovery? I think that's a question that a lot of traders want answered, and the answer is not good. Okay, it's not good for anyone who's in HubC right now, and that is that HubC has a strong resistance point at $1 right now, meaning that if you bought HubC higher than $1, there's a high chance that you aren't going to get all of your money back. Now, this is serious because if you are not going to be able to get all of your money back on HubC, then what are you going to do with your position? It's the same as losing all of your money if you hold your position in HubC for the foreseeable future. You just hold it until basically you die or someone else dies, and it's just not a good idea. So with HubC, I would think about closing it somewhere around 50 cents, 70 cents, or even 85 cents. This is not financial advice, but it's what I would do if I was holding HubC right now, because the chances of HubC actually going above $1 are fairly low, okay? HubC would have to short squeeze for you to ever get your money back, and the chances of that happening are just so low. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. I don't want you to hold on to false hope. So with HubC, instead of bag holding, maybe you should just get out of the stock and cut your losses and invest in something that's actually good, like the stock callouts that we go over on this channel, like the stock call out AHT, which we called out last time, which is up, like the stock TOP when we called it out, which went up 100%. There's lots of good trades in the pro membership, but you just have to be a part of the group. We're going to look at another stock chart here. It's WISA. Now, WISA is actually the stock which I think can short squeeze. Now, I know it's not 100%. Of course it's not. Nothing is 100%. But WISA can definitely short squeeze at some point, okay? And I'm not talking about some huge, crazy 200% rally, but I do think that HubC can go from where it's at right now, which is about $1.21, and I think it can squeeze all the way to $1.30. Now you may be thinking, Coach, that's such a small squeeze. That's not even a short squeeze that I'm looking for, and I understand. I understand if you don't believe that this trade is worth taking because it's from 121 to 130. But think about this for a second. If you can get a trade on WISA from $1.20 to $1.30, you are getting effectively an 8% increase. If you can get an 8% increase on a $1,000 account, you will have more than $1 million by the end of a year, okay? You will literally have $1 million starting with just $1,000 if you get a consistent 8% increase every single trading day over the period of just 1 year. Okay, $1 million in a year isn't bad, especially with a small trading account. And by the way, you don't even need 8%. You only need 3% consistently. So if you're serious about actually making money, then you need to think about taking trades that actually work instead of gambling, putting money in stocks, and then believing that will go up, even though the stock has shown you that it's just not going to happen. All right. Don't hold in hope, because that's what costs traders a lot of money. Now, what I want to do for you next is take you from WISA to our stock GTII. Now, GTII is also down. Okay, so GTII is down as well. And do I think that the stock is great stock that can short squeeze? No, I don't think GTII can short squeeze. In fact, of the 3 stocks that we went over today, GTII, HubC, and WISA is the stock that's most likely to go up. I don't like the stock WISA because it's such a volatile penny stock, and there are some stocks that I do like, which I've called out on this channel earlier. I'll even reveal one to you today as well that I'll be trading, although I'm not going to give you the full details because you're not a pro member yet. If you want the full details, you do have to join the pro membership. But GTII, okay, GTII is fairly weak, okay? GTII has a lot of resistance at $2, meaning that we're unlikely to see GTII go above $2 at any point in the near future. And that's unfortunate because a lot of traders have bought GTII for more than $2, okay? So it's going to be really hard for you to get your money back on GTII, and there's no clear direction on the stock, okay? It is near a low right now, so GTII, buying it right now may be a good idea for a small scalp trade to the upside, but I wouldn't recommend buying GTII for the long term because it's just not as strong as some of the other stocks in the stock market. Now, as promised, I'm going to tell you about one stock that I am trading, okay? And that stock is called Redfin, RDFN. Now, RDFN stock is at approximately $8.90 right now. Oh, actually, it's at $9.43. It was at about $8 when I bought it. And this stock can do well in the long term, okay? Not for 5 trading days, but maybe for 2 or 3 trading days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, RDFN is going to rally, okay? I want you to watch it. Redfin Corporation. If RDFN stays above the $8 and $9 level, then this stock can go up even higher. It can go up to, really, I'm thinking this stock can go up to about $10 to $11, okay? So watch RDFN, add RDFN to the watch list. I'm not going to tell you exactly where to buy and sell it because, again, that's information that I give to pro members, but you can apply for a pro membership for free just by clicking the link in the description. So I really hope that you make the right decision about your own trading career and get the help that you need to really start seeing the results, because I'm willing to put my money on the line so that you see results before you even pay anything for your membership. So I really appreciate you guys coming out here and going over my analysis on WISA, GTII, and even our new stock here, RDFN. And I hope you make plenty of money in the near future. Thanks for watching the channel, and see you guys next time.